Jack, you're supposed to be saying mama, not dada.
Um,
Yeah?
da,
Dada?
da,
Say da 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 da. Now show everybody your teeth. Let me see. Let me see those twoffers.
Jackers! Jackers, show me tubers! He's got 4 teeth.
Top ones are hard to see. Here's them too. Can you say hi, Jack? Say hi. Wave hi. Come on. Trying to teach it to him. Wave hi. Say hi. Can you say hi to Isley and Harper? Come on. Yay! Yay! There's your footers right there. There's your foot. Are you excited to see Grandma and Grandpa? Checkers. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
She's crazy, huh?